Hello, welcome back to Garden NBC, California Gardener, edition of British Columbia Gardening. So I know some guys said, hey, why are you growing in all those railway ties? And it was because they were here before I started, before I bought the house. So it was already built, and yeah, optimally you wouldn't be growing within railway ties because they do soak them in creosote, although these are the really old ones and most has leached off over the years. And I've done the research and it doesn't really leach that far into the soil away from the railway tie. You can actually see like the top ones, it's all pretty much gone. They're just whitening away. The wood starts to rot. You can tell it's not protected by the creosote anymore. But they say there's a small zone that it leaches out from the edge of the wood. So I had some big Douglas firs that we took down in front of the house when we rebuilt, and I had them milled into these mega timbers. And you can see a stack over there. I'm turning my open garden. You can see this kale and everything's totally gone to seed. Big beautiful blossoms here. And I built my beds inside the old railway ties, and I think that's pretty much going to protect it from that creosote leaching, because it really won't come around the wood and up into the garden bed. So it's pretty deep beds. Those planks are about 17-18 inches tall, and I'm going to fill them full of dirt, but just thought I would give you a tip when you're filling your garden bed full of your dirt again. You can add to the nutrition of the soil. If you have old plants in your garden, like these ones right here, they'll just go in my compost anyways. You can add what's called green compost to the bottom of your bottom of your beds that you put your dirt on top. So once you fill the dirt on top here, this stuff will all decompose and be a highly nitrogen rich source of nutrition for your plant roots as they go down through the bed. So this is a great way to make your bed healthy. Another way, if you don't have animals that'll dig, is putting fish entrails. Like I go fishing, so I put the heads and skeletons and skins and guts in the bottom, and that works well too. I did that when I built my other bed up at top and put strawberries and other herbs in the upper portion, and those plants grew amazing the first couple of years. Now it's starting to slow down, so it seems like that extra nitrogenous product from the fish entrails is wearing off, so I may need to go ahead and turn that bed over and add some more compost to it to get it going again. But this way, since I got the green stuff here, building a bed, if you got green stuff already, throw it in the bottom, or grass clippings or whatever you got, throw it in the bottom and cover it up with dirt, and that stuff will break down pretty quickly and has tons of nitrogen in that material. So it's a good way to start the bottom of your bed. Just thought I'd give you that tip. If you guys are building raised beds and have grass clippings or any kind of green stuff laying around, fill the bottom of your bed with it, and it's a good start to growing a new raised bed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share with your friends. See you later. God bless.